my name is Jennifer Sanchez and this is the Next Step video. The way that I envisioned myself as an educator would be that I am a positive person who has an enthusiastic outlook on life. I know that I will love my job and I will get a great sense of achievement to see my students develop and grow as individuals. In education, the voice of the teacher is important because it refers to the values, opinion, beliefs, and the cultural background of the teachers working in a school. As well, it is the voice that is educating our students. The student's voice is important because it is a feedback on how we are teaching them. And also, it is important to listen and act on the students' preferences, interest, and perspectives because it would help the students be more connected in their education. What I have learned about myself is that my idea of which teaching a student hasn't changed. Maybe the way that I will educate my students has changed because I have to think on the cultural differences and knowing that every student is unique and every student learns differently. I did not, when I started, I did not know that. I just thought that every student learned the same because they never teach us that. In high school, we never seen that. Like, we've all had the same paperwork. We all have the same assignment. How I plan to use this knowledge is that every student is unique and have different ways of learning and communicating. So because of this, I will make an effort of becoming a better teacher, a better guide, a better mentor, a better role model for them. Because during these years, it's basically what we are shaping them to be molded into this little perfect, not perfect, but their own little individual. So if we don't help them, then there's no way for them to know this knowledge, and if we're not there to help them out, they're going to be completely lost. What I would like to share is that taking this course really made me develop my knowledge of becoming a teacher. I feel more prepared, even though I haven't taught or I haven't seen a real field observation, but with the videos that we've seen and with the comment that Dr. DeWalt have talked about, and of other experiences of my other peers, I have an insight of what to expect and a way, and also an insight of how to help my students, because I know that it's very difficult. I know that everybody have their own problems, have their own disabilities, and it's very important to modify or make a way to help those students. And that's what really is being a teacher, trying to help and modify a way for students to fall in love with their education and fall in love with their persona. And I think that is what a teacher is, and that's what I have learned in this course.